HSI Motivational Perfume. So ito naman ang ating bibigyan ng first impressions video for tonight's video. Okay? So, ano nga ba ang ano nga ba ang HSI Motivational Perfume? Ito isa mga very popular perfumes na makikita natin sa TikTok, sa Lazada, and sa Shopee. Alright? And very affordable and maraming bumibili talaga. And you can just imagine meron silang mga perfumes that have been sold for more than 1,000 times and feedback is always really good. So, naintriga ako syempre and wanted to know kung gaano ba talaga galing itong ating perfumes na nabili from HSI. So, first impressions muna tayo. The price is less than 200 pesos for this HSI motivational perfume that I got. And this one is the Herba Pura inspired scent. So, let's go ahead and see kung ano nga ba yung ating nasa loob ng bottle. And before actually we go to that, ganda ng kanyang box. Very modern, sleek, and okay yung kanyang design. May yellow lines here going across the sides of the box. And ito yung brand niya sa harapan, and sa taas, motivational perfume. I think the motivational perfume, if I'm not wrong, it says here it's EDP, and it's 22 to 30% oil, and it says new and improved. I think meron sila mga versions before na lesser perfume or oil content. So let's see. Let's go ahead and open the box. I've actually opened it already before and took out the plastic para hindi na mahirapan when it comes to recording the video. So you can see yung kanyang bottle, very generic bottle. Maganda naman siya. It doesn't look like yung mga frosted glass na nakita mo sa mga binibenta sa ating mga malls or stores. And sa harapan niya, again, it says here motivational perfume, and there's a quote: if you fall down yesterday, stand up today. Wow, very inspiring quote. So meron pa siya mga ganyang quotes sa harapan, and it says eau de perfume and motivational perfume, Herba Pura on the side, and black cap and black atomizer. Okay, so ano nga ba yung Herba Pura? I don't have the original version of this one, and I haven't even smelled the original version. So let's go ahead and just look at Fragrantica and see ano ba yung kanyang main accords. So based on Fragrantica, it says here citrusy, fruity, sweet, musky, powdery, vanilla, amber, and spicy or fresh spicy. And in terms of the notes, ito yung hanapin natin na nota. Sorry. Notes, Sicilian orange, Calabrian bergamot, Sicilian lemon, fruits yung sa middle notes niya, and base notes of white musk, Madagascar vanilla, and amber. Okay, so let's go ahead and spray this to our test strips. Okay, and I'll also show you how the sprayer performs. Okay, right. Oh wow. Wow! Alright. Ito pala yung amoy ng Sicilian orange. Parang citrusy. Then may sweet din siya at the same time. Tapos meron din siyang Sicilian lemon as noted right here, and Calabrian bergamot. I don't know the specific smell of those fruits, but yeah, very fruity, very cool sa ilong, and very nice. I am quite happy with this scent. Okay, so I think this one will be good for school, your office, daily wear. Generally, very safe scent to suggest to people who are probably in the 20s and 30s when they're going out. Okay, so yan na muna ang ating video for today. We'll go ahead and test this out. We'll have it rest for probably 2 or 3 weeks, and then we'll go ahead and make a follow-up video. So we'll have that full review already of the HSI Motivational Perfume Inspired Herba Pura set. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, suggestions, or any perfumes that you'd like for me to review, please leave a comment down below. If you're also interested in buying legit, not legit, legit dupes, but perfumes from our Filipino fragrance manufacturers, I'll leave a note down below so you can buy from them as well. Let's support Filipino items or products so that we get to see our economy or our fellow Filipinos grow. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye!